Hello guys, Dhananjay and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to do unboxing of the Infinix Hot 8 and we'll also talk about all the detailed features of this device. This device will cost you just 7,000 rupees for a 4GB RAM variant with 64GB of internal storage. First of all, let's get rid of the box packaging and let's see what we get inside the box. So we get the Infinix Hot 8 device over here with couple of stickers in the front as well as in the back. The back panel looks really nice for a 7,000 rupees device. This is actually too good in my opinion, plus a triple camera setup about which we'll talk in a bit. And this is a normal 10 watt charger with 5 volts and 2 amperes of rating. Redmi devices such as Redmi 7A or 6A come with a 5 watt charger in the box instead of a 10 watt charger which is present on the Infinix Hot 8. By the way, the device comes with a micro USB port, so that's why we have a micro USB cable over here. We also get a SIM ejector tool, X-Club okay, let's forget that. Files application is pre-installed on this device. This is the Google Files application, Infinix warranty card, user manual, and then we get a fancy case inside the box as well. Even though the device is priced very aggressively, we get a very good quality case as you can see over here, and the quality of the case is fantastic for the price tag of 7,000 rupees. No complaints over here. And we also get a screen protector which is not pre-applied, so you will have to apply that yourself. Now that's pretty much it for the box content. You do not get any earphones in the box. If you are expecting them, I mean, don't expect too much at the price tag of 7,000 rupees. So let's start the device and let's see what the device has to offer. But as the device is starting up, we get volume buttons on the right side. Power button is present over here as well, and these buttons are very easily reachable. Okay, so the button placement is done perfectly. You get a SIM card tray on the left side, and when we open the SIM card tray, you will realize that we do have a dedicated micro SD card slot on the Infinix Hot 8. Loudspeaker is present at the bottom of the device. Micro USB port is present over here. Primary microphone is present here, and headphone jack is present here. And that's why we do not have anything at the top. We do get a rear fingerprint sensor. There is no in-display fingerprint sensor. Very disappointing. I'm just kidding, not at all. The device will cost you just 7,000 rupees. I'll just set up the device and I'll be back. By the way, while we are setting up the device, let me show you the 6.5-inch screen that we have on the device. And the screen is actually surprisingly bright. You also get a water drop notch. At this price, it's very rare to find a device with water drop notch to cost you just 7,000 rupees. So the device comes with XOS, which is a custom skin specifically made for Infinix devices, and this OS is based on Android 9.0 for the Infinix Hot 8, which is a good thing considering Android Q was launched just today. This device comes with Android Pie, and I'm kinda sure that Hot 8 will receive the Android Q update as well. There is no official word on this. By the way, let's just go into settings first. Let's scroll down, system, and as you can see, the device comes with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 13 megapixel rear facing camera, 2 GHz is the clock speed, 5000 mAh battery, 720p screen, and Android P. Now let's talk about few important features. Now let's talk about what I think about this device. At the price tag of 7,000 rupees, this device has some fantastic features to offer actually. 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage. This is unheard of at this price tag. I mean, obviously the storage is just eMMC, but then again, for the price tag, I cannot complain about that. Even the display looks fantastic. The color accuracy, viewing angles are fantastic. 6.5 inches of display. So if you are someone who needs a very big display, 5000 mAh battery, and 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, like higher internal storage, then this is probably one of the best devices that you can buy in the market right now. But that's not all. There are few things which I should mention which are not probably good. So the only worry that I have about this device is the Helio P22 processor, and I'm not so sure how the device will hold up with that processor. So if you are a big PUBG fan, or if you want very good performance, then this may not be the device for you. But then once again, the most important factor where Infinix has nailed everything: pricing. 7,000 rupees, Helio P22 processor with 4GB of RAM will perform better as compared to any other device which was actually launched at a price tag of 7,000 or 8,000 rupees. So overall, I feel like this is a good device with the price tag, and it offers very good features as well. Let's take a look at the camera now. So I have something over here. The device comes with triple camera setup, 13 megapixel primary camera, then we have a depth sensor, and then we also have a low light camera sensor. And considering my experience, I can tell you that the low light sensor is not going to perform that good. At the price tag of 7,000 rupees, the device does click good pictures. I mean, in good lighting conditions. This may not be the best camera that I have used at this price tag, or it can be. You can be the judge. Here are a few sample shots that I've clicked with the Infinix Hot 8. Obviously, the device comes with XOS, which is not the best operating system out there, but it's better than. But then again, would you prefer to have stock Android or MIUI and lose out on 4GB RAM or 5000 mAh battery, or you would go with this device? Let's check the fingerprint unlock. Oh, fingerprint unlock feature is very fast. I keep my finger and the device gets unlocked every single time, which is good. Now let's try the face unlock feature. My face is right in front of the camera, and as you can see, the device got unlocked now. Now let's check unlock. Okay, even the face unlock feature is super fast. So it seems like Infinix has worked on the software optimization as well to make sure everything loads up pretty quickly, and it is quite a responsive device. As you can see, I'll just go over here, keep off. I do not want that. Everything is working fine. Let's go to Chrome and let's try. Let's go to dhananjaytech.com. Let's open some article. Let's open CoolPad Cool 3 Plus review, one of the competitors or past competitors now maybe, and let's open the website. And as you can see, pinch in to zoom. Okay, it's actually working pretty fine. It feels like we may have to end up reviewing this device to see how good the device actually is. It loads up the screen once, but overall responsiveness is pretty fantastic on the Infinix Hot 8. And I guess that's pretty much it for the unboxing and my initial impressions of the Infinix Hot 8. If you still have any more questions regarding this device, do let me know about that in the comment section box below. I'll be more than glad to answer your question. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.